from the Storm Team 8 Tracking Center, this is a winter weather alert.
Whoa. That was brave.
Tonight at 11, an Arctic blast hitting West Michigan. We're seeing everything from heavy rain and winds to thunder snow in some areas. Everything that you need to know still ahead. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Brian Sterling. We begin our coverage tonight with the Storm Team 8 forecast. Right now, a strong winter system is hitting West Michigan. Heavy snow and strong winds are making for dangerous conditions outdoors. And tonight, we are expected to receive several inches of snow, especially along the lakeshore. Thousands of people are also without power in West Michigan. Many of those outages are near Holland, and they run north to Grand Haven. Our team remains on the story tonight. Adriana Doria is live with the latest on the road conditions out there and how some folks are preparing for the winter blast. But we want to begin with Chief Meteorologist Ellen Baca, who has been tracking this system, and she has more on what we're seeing tonight. Ellen.
My goodness, we have seen such a deterioration of conditions. We went from even some rain at times to very fine powdery snow that's starting to fly. And that's the biggest thing that we're going to be watching for over the next several hours, this continuation of really low visibilities because of this conversion over to lake effect snow. When the Arctic front hit, it hit fast. And if we look at what's going on now on Storm Track Live, you can see how we've changed over from a burst of snow over to those lake effect snow bands. So here's the latest. We're seeing a heavy band cutting across Muskegon, Ottawa, streaming down through Plainwell and cutting down in the southern portion of Barry County. And right now you can see that there's nothing upstream of us. So this is all purely lake effect formed as cold air streams over Lake Michigan. And it's going to continue to keep on coming here as we go throughout the next 24 hours. Peak wind gusts right around 56 miles per hour for Whitehall, Grand Haven, also in the 50s, along with Saugatuck and East Grand Rapids. Current gusts still in the 30 to mid 40 range, which means we could continue to see some isolated power outages. Visibility will continue to drop off at times, not just tonight, but through tomorrow morning as well. Notice how this is slowing traffic in spots. We don't even have very many cars on the road right now. If we look at the brief timeline of how we're going to see things kind of come together here, blowing snow tonight, potentially a lull in the activity tomorrow morning before another round through the day tomorrow. Now, there's a few interesting things with that round, so I'm going to be back in just a bit with the Futurecast to break down what to expect for Thursday.
All right, Ellen, thank you. The heavy snow and strong winds are making the roads treacherous. Some areas could see whiteout conditions throughout the day tomorrow. And News 8's Adriana Doria, she's been out on the roads for the last few hours and has more on what she's seeing out there. Adriana.
Brian, a much different scene than we saw even just in our 10 o'clock hour. You can see just from my coat, the snow definitely picking up. I'm going to step out of the way here. We're in Jenison. You can see the road. There's a very light dusting of snow across the road. So those are going to be a lot slipperier than when they were in the 10 o'clock hour. So you're going to want to make sure that you're being extra cautious on those roads, leaving lots of room for those cars in between. But it's definitely something like you heard from Ellen. The wind also extremely high here, so it's blowing the snow. So it's going to cause for a lot more of those whiteout conditions, especially when you're driving. So now you've got slick roads and also the blowing of the snow that is going to be impacting your view here. So another reason to be pumping your brakes, leave room for those cars in between you and drive extra slow. Now, something you also don't probably consider is right around the holidays, people are starting to look for their trees. So we got a chance to speak with a tree farm owner here in Jenison. He says he's been out prepping to get his trees off of their stoops because the snow is actually going to impact that as well. So take a listen to what he had to say just a little earlier today.
Well, I'm pulling all the trees out of their stands because the snow is going to be so heavy and icy and it's going to break the branches, so I have to pull every tree out of the stands and put them back up.
Yeah, definitely a much different scene here. It's very, very windy. The chill is definitely, it's very cold out here as well. So you're going to want to make sure when you're driving or even if you're outside to wear those extra layers, bundle up and be extra cautious on the road. That winter advisory going through Friday, and we'll have more updates on weather here on air and on our website, woodtv.com, and also those school closings will be there as well. But certainly not stopping anybody from driving here, but a lot less cars than we saw, obviously, earlier in the evening. But for now, live in Jenison, I'm Adriana Doria, News 8.
All right, Adriana, thank you. Go warm up. Utility crews along the lakeshore, they spent their day bracing for the outages that will be caused by this system. Earlier today, Consumers Energy told News 8 that it has some 80 teams of 200 line workers ready to deploy to any outages throughout the region. They remind people to make sure that they have an emergency kit ready, that the batteries and the flashlights are good, and to stay away from down lines. We also ran out to a hardware store in Cascade Township today. They typically see customers looking to buy generators right before these kinds of storms.
The biggest thing is they wait till last minute. You should never wait till last minute. If you know the storm's coming, get prepared. If you don't have a generator, get out early and get one. If you do have one, make sure it's fired up, make sure it's ready to go.
If your power does go out, Consumers says the best way to track when it might come back on is through their outage map on their website. Meanwhile, some residents in the Wayland area are voicing concerns about a planned power outage this weekend. This Saturday, Consumers Energy is planning an outage from 11 Saturday night till 6 the next morning. Well, snow's expected that day, and the temperatures are expected to be below freezing. Consumers Energy says crews need to make repairs to a nearby substation. But neighbors News 8 spoke to today say the timing of this outage is less than ideal.
I'm worried more about my husband than myself.
There's a lot of elderly people here. And
I believe that some of the elderly do not even know this is happening.
We don't take that lightly. We understand that people are affected by what we're doing. We often schedule outages like this for weekends and night times because it is a less disruptive approach.
The city of Wayland is opening its firehouse as a warming shelter during that outage. And again, as the snow falls in West Michigan, make sure you download the Storm Team 8 weather app. It's updated with the latest conditions. We've got school closings from our area. This is free. You can find it on the Apple and Google Play stores.